Hi everyone, this is Dikshit. Welcome to my channel. In this video, what we will gonna do is we will gonna install Node Exporter in another machine, and we will try to get the metrics of that machine in Prometheus server. So in my previous video, what I did was I've installed Prometheus and Node Exporter in the same machine. But in this video, so I'll gonna install Node Exporter in different machine, and I'll take the metrics of that into my Prometheus. Okay. So let's go ahead into the another machine. So in my case, I'm taking a CentOS machine. So if you see, this is the CentOS machine. So here I'll gonna install Node Exporter as a service, and then I'll take the metrics of this machine into my Prometheus, which is already running. Okay. So the steps are very similar, like which I followed in my previous thing. So you need to go for Prometheus official page and just search for a Node Exporter, and you'll get this one. So you just copy the link address, go to your node, do a duplicate of that particular tar file. So then it will be downloaded. Now untar that one, tar xvf, and then give the name of the tar file. So it will take a few seconds to untar it. So now you'll be able to see this one. Okay. And I've created a GitHub wiki page. So I'm gonna leave this link also in the description. So it is like how to install the Node Exporter and start as a service. Okay. So now we have untarred it. And now what we need to do is we need to either we can go inside or we can directly use this CP command. So in my case, this CP command, I don't need this because I did a CD. So what I'll do is I've copied all those things already into my Visual Studio Code, so which helped me to copy paste. So I'll just copy these things to user bin, a local bin node exporter. Okay, to make sure, I'll just check like what all the files are there in the bin folder. So as my node exporter is there, now the next step is I need to create a service file under etc systemd system node exporter dot service. This is to make my node exporter to be run as a service. Okay. Now just copy paste all this lines and then paste into that particular file. So I missed this unit. So let me copy paste it again. Unit. So then let me give here and just save this file. And once you have saved, you just do a system daemon reload. So then do service node exporter stat. Okay. We will also see the status of it by using status command. So as my node exporter is running, so now this is how we will configure node exporter as a service. Okay. Now just for the confirmation, what we will do is we will take this machine's IP and then we will try to see the metrics of that machine. By default, my node exporter will run on 9100. So when I give this one, so this page should come up. When I click on metrics, so I'll be able to see all the metrics related to that particular machine. Okay. Now, so we have installed a node exporter and we were able to see the metrics of the machine at the endpoint. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to configure our YML, Prometheus.yml. Now let's go back to this particular machine wherein now my Prometheus is up and running. So verify that service Prometheus status. Okay, when you do this one, see my Prometheus is up and running here. So what we will do, we will change the configuration of that particular Prometheus.yml. So for that, I'll just open vi user local, local, and in this I need to give the bin, and then under that I have one more folder called Prometheus. So this is the where my Prometheus configuration file is. So we will just edit this prometheus.yml, and then so what we will do is we will change the scrap config like this part. So now what I need to do is my particular job name again. I'll give job. So actually I can create one more job, or else what I can do is I can add a comma here, and I can give the value of that, because anyway it's a node exporter itself. So what I can do is now I need to get the IP address of that machine, and this basically this thing I need to provide there. Okay. So when I give here, so I need to take off HTTPS. So this HTTP, when I take off, and the /2, you can create one more job, as well as you can, if it is similar, right? So it's same node exporter. So I can just give this particular thing like comma separated, and then I can reload my particular Prometheus. So what I need to do now, so again, what I'll do is I'll do a sudo a service Prometheus restart. Okay. So then I'll do sudo service Prometheus status. So I'll just check like whether what is the status of my Prometheus. So it is working fine. Now if I go to my Prometheus and just refresh it, when I see the targets here, so I should be able to see that target. As you can see, so now my target is configured. And if you see the service discovery, here also you'll be able to, if you see node exporter 2 out of 2. Okay. And even my configuration, so as you can see, so my configuration is also like targets has been updated to 2 things. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show in this particular video. So how we can scrap the data of another machine onto our Prometheus. So if you've liked the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good